Here's a look at these cat litter box liners. They come inside this plastic bag, each one rolled up on its own. You can see right here, just remove this little strip, and then you got access to bags. It's got some perforation right here. Just tear that. Has this nice, these drawstrings or handles, whatever you call them, right there. And then here's a look at it. All packed out, all fluffed out, nice and long. There's a look at the inside. And the material it's a good material. It's in between like super thick and thin. It's got like a little bit of thickness to it, but not too thick. And then when you're ready to throw it away, you just use those handles, tighten the whole thing up, and go drop it in the trash can. So good bags right here, good litter bags. I think you'll be happy with them, especially the thickness of them.